Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Causes of colored urine. There are different colors of urine which you can see which occur due to different causes. Red color or pink color urine occurs mainly due to the food consumption like beetroot or blueberry consumption. Whereas red or pink colored urine in the medical conditions, whenever you see red or pink colored urine, you should suspect hematuria, enlarged prostate, kidney stones, tumors in the bladder, and kidneys should be suspected if there is red or pink urine color. If there is orange urine color, probable causes can be due to medications like rifampicin, phenopyrazidine, laxatives, and chemotherapeutic agents are responsible for orange colored urine, whereas there are medical conditions like dehydration and jaundice which should be suspected when there is orange colored urine. Blue-green urine. Blue or green urine is actually rare. Food colors or dyes used in certain kidney and bladder tests or medications and supplements like indomethacin and propofol and some multivitamins, all these are the causes of blue or green colored urine. Whereas medical conditions like urinary tract infections which are caused by bacterium like Pseudomonas aeruginosa, this is responsible for blue or green colored urine also. Then brown colored urine. Brown colored urine can be seen in certain foodstuffs like fava beans and aloe can cause brown colored urine. Medications like primaquine, chloroquine, nitrofurantoin, metronidazole and methocarbamol, all these are responsible for the brown colored urine. Then other suspected medical conditions like porphyria or indications of liver disease, all these are responsible for brown colored urine. Then cloudy urine color. Cloudy urine color is seen in bacteria, fat, white blood cells or mucus in the urine is responsible for cloudy urine color. Whereas urinary tract infections, chronic kidney conditions and dehydration are responsible for cloudy urine color. Then cloudy urine with foam. If there is cloudy urine with foam, always suspect Crohn's disease if there is cloudy urine with foam. So these are the different colors of the urine.
thank you and thank you for watching.